Good morning students. Today we are discussing the chapter is 6th chapter decimals. The topic is write the following in expanded form. You know how to write the whole number expanded form, right? Here you will learn about expanded form decimals. Expanded form of decimals. Let's see the first sum. That is 14.258. What the first sum? 14.258. So see this sum, which is the whole number and which is the decimal number. See, 14 is the whole number and point after are the decimal numbers. First, you know how to write the whole numbers. That's why first you write on the whole number expanded form. Answer. First give the ones place, tens. Point after you consider the left side number, first number, that is tens, hundreds, thousands. Let's see what is the first number, 1, and what is the place value, tens. 1 tens equal to 1 into 10 plus, next what is the number, 4, and what is the place, the place is ones. 4 into 1 plus, what is the second number, point before, point after 2. 2 into tens. Tens means 1 by 10 plus 5. What is the place? Hundreds. So 5 into, what is the place? Hundreds. 1 by 100 plus, what is the number? 8. And what is the place? Thousands. So how to write? 1 by 1000. Understood children? First how to write? Okay, let's see the first bracket. See, 1 tens is 10 plus 4 ones is 4 plus, see here, this is not have the denominator. That's why multiply this number into numerator. Multiply this number into numerator. How much 2 ones? That is 2. What is the denominator? That is 10. Write 2 by 10. Okay. 2 tens means 2 by 10 plus 5 is a whole number. Multiply. Here we have into. This is not a mixed fraction. This is just multiplication. That's why multiply this whole number into numerator. If you are multiplying 1 into 5, you will get 5. The denominator is 100. So write down 5 by 100. Let's take a plus. Again you see 5 into 1 by 1000. So multiply 8 into 1 by 1000. Multiply this 8 into 1. 8 ones is 8 but the denominator is 1000. So write down the 8 by the denominator is 1000. Everyone should do these two steps. Don't write this step directly. You have to write this step after you write down like this. Okay. Let's see the second one. This is about the first answer. Let's see the second answer. See here, we have a whole number and decimal values also. First, you have to find out decimal values and whole number. Let's see. Point left side numbers are whole numbers. Point right side numbers are decimal values. So, you have to do in the whole numbers place values. See here, we have only one digit. That's why I gave here ones, that is 0, O. And see here, decimal values. Decimal values you have to read from left to right. So, the tens. Next value is 100, that is H. Next value is thousands, that is TH. Okay, after you write down like this, come to this sum. What is the first place value? 7, that is in the ones place. So 7 into 1, put the bracket. After take the place, let's see, 0 tens. 0 tens. That means 0 into tens means 1 by 10 plus 0 hundreds. 0 hundreds. That means 0 into 100 means 0 into 1 by 100 plus thousands. 5 thousands. 5 into thousands means 1 by 1000. 5 into 1 by 1000. After you simplify of the brackets, let's see, 7 ones is 7 plus 0. 0 into 1 by 10. If you are multiplying with 0, that number will comes 0. If you are multiplying with 0, the product will comes 0. So the answer is 0 plus, what is this? This is also multiplying with 0. That's why this is also 0. Plus 5 into 1 by 1000. 5 into 1 by 1000. This 5 is multiplied with 1. So 5 ones is 5 by 1000. Here you see we have 2 zeros. So remove these zeros and write down the number. See here, 7 place 5 by 1000. Okay, 7 5000. This is the answer. Okay, let's see the third sum. All of you see and find out which is the whole number and which is the decimal values. See the point left side numbers are whole numbers, points left right side numbers are decimal values. In the whole number we have 2 digits, that is ones, tens. Here you find out from left to right, that is the left side first number, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, let's take this number and solve the answer. Let's see the first place value, that is 1 tens. 1 into 10 plus, what is the next number? 3 ones. 3 ones. 3 into ones means 1. Place point of toe 5 tens. 5 tens. 5 into tens. How to write the tens? You tell me guys. Here what you wrote? 1 by 10. So tens means 1 by 10. So tens 1 by 10 plus, what's the next number? 0 100. If you are multiplying with any number to 0, the product will comes 0. So no need to write 0 digit. So take the next number, that is 2. Take the next number, that is 2. 2 into thousands, that means 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. Let's multiply the brackets inside numbers. 1 into 10 is 10 plus 3 ones is 3 plus 5 into 1, 5 by 10 plus 2 into 1, 2 by 100. 1000. 2 by 1000. We don't have here 100th place because the 100th place is 0. Understood children these 3 problems? This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. Everyone must write down these sums and practice these type of sums. Let's see the next one. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So see the first sum, 0.63, 0.080, decimal values. Let's first observe, all of you observe the first left side first digit, that is here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. First observe whole number left side first digit, that is here 0, right? Okay, let's see the decimal values first digit. What is the digit? 6, here 0, here 7, here 4, here 5, here 3. And you must remember what he is asking, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Do you know how to write in ascending order? Yes, you know how to write? Yes, small number to big number. So here also you write down small number to big number. Okay, let's see the first one. Which, okay, left side first numbers. First check the left side first number. What are there? So ascending order means first you have to find out the small digit. Here we have 6, 0, 7, 4, 5, 3. Don't consider how many digits in the after point. Don't consider that. Just you have to consider the first point after first digit. That is here 6, here 0, 7, 4, 5, 3. Which is the small digit? 0 is the small digit. So put 1. Let's see. 6, 7, 4, 5, 3. Here you see which is the small digit? That is 3. So circulate 2. Let's see again point of turn. Here 6, 7, 4 and 5. Which is small? 4. Let's see here. This is the fourth one. And the fifth one is 6. And the sixth one is 7. Understood, children? If you have a left side whole numbers, first check that numbers. Okay. After you see left side decimal values, left side first numbers. You have to check left side first numbers. Is it same or big? Okay. Like this, you write down the answers. The first one is 0.0805. The second one is 0.38. Third one is 0.49. Fourth one is 0.59. Fifth one is 0.63. Sixth one is 0.703. This is the answer. See the first one. 0.0805, 0.38, 0.45, 0.59, 0.63, 0.703. Understood, children? Like this you have to complete. Let's see, I will tell one more sum. Listen carefully. Here also I told you observe first which numbers? Whole numbers. So observe first whole number. Is it there? 8, here 3, here 4, here 3, here 9. If you have a whole numbers, first observe that number, and if it is big, and write down the big number. If it is small, write down like a small number. Observe here, we have 8, 3, 4, 3, 9. In this case, you observe the small digit. Which is the small digit? Here 3 and 3 are the small digit. But you see, here we have which numbers? Decimal values. That's why these two are same. That's why see the next number. That is here 9. Here 2. See the 9 and 2, which is the small number. See 9 or 2? 2 is the small number. Give 1. 9 is next number 2. Let's see 8, 4, 9. Which is small? 4 is small. So give 3 here. Next 8, 4, and the last one is 9, give 5. Let's write down the digits. See the first one, that is 3.216. The second one is 3.976. And the third one is 4.857. And the fourth one is 8.605. And the fifth one is 9.410. Understood, children? First read the whole number. After read the decimal values digit by digit. Understood, children, this class? Let's see all of you. Page number 81. Fifth topic. Arrange the following decimals. You have to complete all this work in your CWs. Thank you, children.